Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 Ultra Slim laptop, and in this video I will show you how to send files from your phone to this laptop. Now to do that, you'll have to be connected to the internet. And once you are connected, open your web browser and search for the PairDrop.net website. Let me show it to you how to spell it. PairDrop.net, look it up, open it, and on the following page, to connect your phone to this laptop, click on this link icon right here, and then either open the same website on your phone and input this code in this field, or just scan this QR code using your phone's camera, which is the more convenient option for me. So I'm gonna use it instead. So just scan this QR code, open the website, and your phone will be automatically connected to your laptop once it enters the website. Now on the laptop you'll see your phone icon, and on the phone you'll be able to see your laptop icon. So select your laptop icon on the phone, select the file you want to send, and then accept it on your laptop. Wait for a while until the file downloads. And right now, as you can see, the file is downloaded. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.